I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will review Alpha Bank eCom PIN Review Watch before using. Start by checking your bank messages for the initial activation code and keep your phone nearby. I'll walk through setup steps, common error messages, and practical tips for secure usage. Stay with me as I explain how to avoid lockouts and what to do if your PIN fails during checkout, all in simple, clear terms. In this segment, I will explain the setup steps and useful checks. Begin by opening your bank app, find the eCom PIN option, and follow prompts to register your number. Enter the activation code and create a memorable but strong PIN you can recall under stress. After setup, run a small test purchase to verify everything works and to note any merchant compatibility quirks before larger transactions. In this break, I will make a quick recommendation and ask for your support. Subscribe and like if you're finding this helpful so I can make more practical content. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for catching up on guides while you wait for confirmations or hold times. It's lightweight and easy on the eyes. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this section, I will help you troubleshoot common issues quickly and calmly. First, reboot your device and retry a single transaction to clear transient errors. If failures persist, confirm your registered mobile number with the bank and request a resend of the activation code. For repeated declines, contact customer support to check error codes and rule out merchant-side problems so you don't risk unnecessary lockouts or lost purchases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.